Let's look at this problem. If f of 0 is 0 and for every x in 0 to 1, f dash x is in 0 to 1, then we need the value of integral 0 to 1 f dash x dx whole square by integral 0 to 1 f of x whole cube. Now first let's analyze the data given. Then for all x belongs to 0 to 1, f dash x is a number between 0 to 1. So when f dash x is between 0 to 1 and 0 is not included, shall we conclude that f of x is increasing on 0 to 1, right? This is a given data because for all x belongs to 0 to 1, f dash x is given to be a positive number. So that's why f of x is increasing on 0 to 1. Now we will use it in calculating the ratio of the given integral. Let's consider I to be the integral 0 to 1 f dash x dx, the square of this, by integral 0 to 1 f of x whole cube dx. Now if you look at the numerator here, f dash x dx inside the integral. So this is simply f dash 1. So this is simply f of x dx between the limits 0 to 1. That means f of 1 minus f of 0 the whole square. Numerator integral can be evaluated by integral 0 to 1 f of x the whole cube dx. Now also given to us that f of 0 is 0. So what is numerator now? It's simply f square 1 by integral 0 to 1 f of x whole cube dx, right? Now let's look at the numerator. In f square 1 by the value of an integral where f of x whole cube is integrated between the limits 0 to 1. Now can we rewrite the numerator value as f square 1 into integral 0 to 1 dx? Yes, this would be x. Between the limits 1 and 0 it will be 1 by integral 0 to 1 f of x whole cube dx, right? Now when I wrote this 1 as a number inside the integral, the constant f square 1 can be taken inside the integral. So can we rewrite this as integral 0 to 1 f square 1 dx by integral 0 to 1 f of x whole cube dx. Now we'll use the condition that f of x is increasing on 0 to 1. The value of f square 1 dx should be strictly greater than integral 0 to 1 f square x dx. How are you able to write? Since f of x is increasing, right, on 0 to 1 whole by the denominator we'll keep it as it is, f of x whole cube dx. Now as the function is increasing, f square will be still more than that of f cube. So this value would be integral 0 to 1 f cube of x dx by integral 0 to 1 f cube of x dx, right? That is 1. Now what did we get now? We are simplifying the value of I and we got the value of I to be more than 1. Now what do we mean by I is more than 1? Can I take the value of 1 by 2? No, because I has to be more than 1. Can I take the value of 1 by 4? 1 by 4 is also less than 1. And here we got I to be strictly more than 1. So I cannot attain the value of 1. Then among the choices, the only possible value of I is 2, right?